Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to find draft post on Facebook. So what you will have to gonna do, you will have to just simply open the Facebook app on the Android device, and you will see I will post it, and I will go back and I will save it from drafts. So I will save as drafts. Now what will I have to do, you will see there is the top of is the notification of Facebook. You have to scroll down and you will see there is the your saved draft. So you will click it, so you will all the drafts which have you previous drafts post in your draft folder, you will all the see. So from there you can pick it and you will post it recently. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.